Hey there! Today we're going to be doing some soft, chewy birthday cake sugar cookies. These are super easy to make. As always, the recipe and everything you need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this recipe. Start by combining your butter and shortening and mix that well. Then add in your sugar to this. Add in your vanilla extract and combine well. Then add in your almond extract. Mix that up a bit. And then add in 1 egg and combine well. And then add in your egg white and keep mixing for about 3 to 5 minutes until everything's well incorporated. And then don't forget to get your spatula to scrape your bowl. We're gonna sift in some of that flour, so I started with 3/4 cups of cake flour and then added my salt and baking powder. Give it a good mix. And then add in another cup, sift it, and then mix it up. And then repeat it one more time for another cup of cake flour. And then scrape your bowl down with your spatula. Add in some sprinkles. I like to eyeball how much I put into my recipe. And I mix this by hand with my spatula. I got my ice cream scoop and I'm going to scoop out this batter. You're going to want to let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. Once it's scooped out, I just covered my pan with some plastic wrap and placed it in the fridge. Once chilled, I'm placing it on a baking pan with parchment paper. These will bake at 350 degrees for about 9 to 11 minutes. I put some chocolate frosting in a bag to frost these and put some sprinkles on it. And I also got some vanilla buttercream and did the same. And here's those birthday cake sugar cookies. And here's some without frosting. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to keep up to date with everything I post, all these recipes, hit the subscribe button down below. If you want to see pictures of everything I make, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below as well. If you want to leave a suggestion for something else, put it in the comments down below. And until next time, stay sweet.